Hi, this is Kathy from Kathy's Crochet Closet, and today I want to show you how to crochet into the third loop of the half double crochet stitches. So I have completed 2 rounds of half double crochet, and I'm going to join them in a way that I call the special join. I have another video on my YouTube channel if you want to check that out. But for the special join, I'm removing my hook, I'm turning around, inserting my hook from the back into the stitch that I want to join to, and then I grab that loop that I took off, I pull it through. Now when I come back around, what that has done, it's placed the loop kind of behind the stitch. And that's exactly where I want it for what I'm about to do. I'm going to go ahead and chain 1. Now, if you've been crocheting for a while, you know that the tops of the stitches have a front loop and a back loop. And sometimes we crochet just into the front or just into the back. Most of the time we crochet through both. But today we're going to be looking at a third loop, which is behind the top. So if you turn your work toward you, you can see there's a row of loops running across the back of the stitch. And so we're going to crochet into those loops today. So I'm going to go ahead and do a half double crochet into the first third loop. And there I found it. Go ahead and complete my stitch. And really what you're doing, you're doing the stitch behind the top of the stitches. And it ends up making a beautiful raised chain on the top of your work. There, I've done another. So I'm turning slightly toward me so the tip of my hook can find that third loop. And I go ahead and complete my half double crochet. And you can see we've got this really pretty raised chain going along the top.